You know I met her in Miami, that my baby.
You just like my sidekick, I just want to fulfill all your desires. Keep you in the front.
Yo, what is up guys? I'm back with another very special video, guys. I know I did a previous video on this, but this is a little bit of an updated version, and it's dope to get out this content to you guys, and kind of a little extra video for all of my loyal subscribers. And I'm getting really excited because I'm actually gonna get away to the giveaway point. I'm actually finally deciding what shoes I have. So I got some really nice Air Jordan 1s aside, I got some really nice other shoes aside, so I'll put all the details on my Instagram at PETYYVLNCI. But without further ado, let's get into Air Jordan 4 Universities right here, gifted from CN Fashion. Guys, honestly man, so slapped on. Like, I know people are kind of iffy with the colors, and yes, this shoe you got to be a little bit more careful because it is suede going all around. So as you guys can see, there's a suede material going all around the shoe. So up here and up close, you don't want to get no marks on it. You can get it out obviously with shoe cleaner, but just be sure to put like a suede protector or like a stain protector on this shoe when you are going out. And it is definitely like it catches the eye no matter what. Like with some nice Dickies kind of pants, like plain black pants, these I would put like a nice tight shirt in with a belt. And then I put like a nice work jacket over that and have these with some chains and stuff like that, and honestly it would look so clean. Signature bottom as always seen on the Air Jordan 4, so all the colors used in this actual shoes on the bottom. You got the nice Air Jordan logo in the back with the Oreo inspired colorway going all across. The Oreo kind of goes all the way through to all the gray, so that is another really dope touch that they put on it. They have these on the actual 4s right here too as well, but you guys can obviously see it on here as well too. So I'm really happy to have both. But yeah, I love 4s so much. 4s are personally one of my favorite Air Jordans. 4s, 1s, I really like 3s. I love some 11s, 12s. Don't get me wrong, I don't discriminate. Whatever kind of really catches my eyes. I got some 5s in the back, 12s right there. So whatever really catches my eye gets my eye. But CN Fashion, dope. This tab right here is so soft and plush, guys. Like, it is just so soft. You can kind of, yeah guys, this my bad, cut out. This tab right here is so soft and plush. You can kind of see how much my hand goes in. So obviously the less it moves, the less softer it would be, but it just goes all the way down. It's so plush, and all the suede going all around. Such a beautiful shoe, man. The more I hold this shoe, the more I realize how gorgeous it is. I can even go with some cream laces or some black laces, even some white laces, because you got all the colors going on here, guys. But without further ado, for this beautiful shoe, resales about 400 to 500. Let's get into it up close. I went through the size. Beautiful. I cannot say enough, family. So let's get into the up close, let's get into the on foot on this shoe. The materials that they use, Air Jordan use on these, are insane, guys. It's just so beautiful going all across with the suede and the cage and the tongue. Everything's covered in suede. The cage here is not going to get that dirty. This is easy to clean on the bottom. So that's how I really look at shoes sometimes. I'm like, yo, like, what's the wearability? Can I have the shoe a lot? Can I not have the shoe a lot, guys? So let's get into up close and the on foot. I love y'all so much. Yeah.
Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna. Yeah, she keep giving me look hotter than the 6 in the summer. Dead ass, girl, I want. Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna. Yeah, she keep giving me look. Yeah, girl, I know you wanna. She's a spice, ride pipe like bike, like Yokohama. She heard the thing bend like banana, so she wanna give me the adunanani. Oh, yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man, but she say that she don't need a man. I say, why don't we make an agreement, then we can just, while we're being friends. Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna. Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna. Shorty to fly though, that's all I know. She don't sing songs, but if I go strong, she gon' hit this high note. She knows she working with the nana, and she wanna give me the adunanani. Oh, yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man, but she say that she don't need a man. What if we make an agreement then we can just while we're being friends, girl? I know you wanna, I know you wanna, girl, I know you wanna, I know you want to, girl. Ride the pipe like a bike, oh. Do the things you know I like, oh. I'm the man in my ends, oh. You're the one, let's not pretend, cause the pussy too good, drink too strong. I too change, I'm too sprung. Yeah. Pussy too good, drink too strong. I too change, I'm so gone. Girl, I know you wanna, I know you wanna, girl, I know you wanna, I know you want to, girl, girl, I know you wanna, I know you want to, girl, girl, I know you wanna, yeah. Just keep giving me look. Oh, just keep giving me look. Oh, just keep giving me look. Yeah. I need you right here beside me. If you oblige me, I hang it up and I never come out of retirement. You should just sleep on it, you shouldn't doubt me. It would be different without me. What is it without me? Don't go do nothing without me. This is a blessing, mashallah, wallahi. I swear my life story's better than stories they telling about me. They got it twisted. Ride the pipe like a bike, make sure you're going the distance. And if he wasn't with it, then why were you with him? Maybe you just had to realize that knowing the difference can make all the difference. Oh. She wanna run me out of better than stories they telling about me. They got it twisted. Ride the pipe like a bike, make sure you're going the distance. And if he wasn't with it, then why were you with him? Maybe you just had to realize that knowing the difference can make all the difference.